So if you know me, I like playing the piano. I'm teaching myself. A lot of the inspiration came from Lucifer. So like for instance, like the songs I play just now is like, whoa, not that one. There must be somewhere else out of here. Said that you're good to the thief. No time for losing now. I don't know the words. I ain't got no relief. Oh, this is the only bit I know. Businessmen may drink my wine. I ain't no enemy. But yeah, that's one I like to play from Lucifer. Lucifer one, and I've been trying to work on the knocking on heaven's door. I haven't worked on that one for quite a while. Not that one. As you can see, I've not worked on that one for quite some time, but there's a... yeah. The other one I really wanted to learn, I'm still learning as well, is the... really good at because I was really stuck when I started playing this. Always just doing single ones where it's supposed to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've noticed that my left hand, with practice, is getting better at moving at the same time and trying to do different things. Am I right? And now the other one I was really interested in is when he does a real sad one where he kills his brother. Spoiler. That bit there took a wee bit to get used to. And that's pretty much all I've got from there because I've been really practicing that. And I will take that further and develop my stuff. 350 subscribers. I'm on 334 just now, so it's more than halfway. And with your help, we can get there. Have a nice day, folks. And as always, have a nice day.